Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Premlata. How are you doing?
As usual, good. And what about you?
Okay. Yeah, all great.
Okay.
Nothing
So,
special, but yeah, nice.
today we will start our conversation with a new topic. This is a question, and
Mhm.
maybe it will help to our viewers. And if they are thinking to give up, then I think it will be helpful for them. Okay. So, if you
Okay.
have any questions, then we can continue with your question. Otherwise, already I have question.
No, this time in my mind, nothing, anything. If you have, then continue.
Okay. Um, have you ever felt giving up? Have you ever felt giving up?
In my life.
Yeah, in your life, or we can say in English journey also.
Okay. Yeah, English journey I felt many time because sometime I felt, very pressure in my mind. While especially in my college time, while I'm giving lots of time in this language, that time it's bother me a lot, and I was not able to keep concentrate on my technical part. So that time I quit that practicing English and taking tension about speaking part and communication part. So yeah, I give up many time and again wake up and again start that journey. But when it comes to about life, you will ask, there are many times I thought to give up, but there is the reason of my family and my children always stop me to give up in my life, in my career. Whatever tangent you want to ask, then they are the reason only, my family, my children's. Then they are always, keeps me motivated and keeps me to grow in my life. So they are the reason and
Yeah,
in my life to
fantastic.
not. Yeah.
Whenever,
So,
yes, whenever we
sorry.
feel, yes,
Hmm.
please continue.
Yeah, I was saying, yeah, everybody, I think they felt that kind of situation. And at certain point, they think, no, I can't do anymore. I can't bear that anymore. And they try to give up. So it happens. It's very, very casual. It happens to everybody.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you are right. Everyone goes through that type of situation in our life,
Mm.
and I think everyone should feel like that to give up in their life. But we have to be positive towards our life, and difficulties in our life, it is a natural thing, and after
Hmm.
facing difficulties we have to feel positive for our life. So what did you do whenever you feel demotivated or like giving up? So what did you do?
Okay. I try, especially that time, I take break. When I think like
Okay.
that, that is not going to happen, and somehow it is not bearable to me, then I take break. And sometime I leave everything and I spend my time with my childrens only without taking any tension. So I take, you can say, I am taking break when I feel really full of pressure and some separation, then I leave everything and I take break.
Yeah, it is a good way. Even I also do same. I follow your way, that whenever I
Hmm.
feel that burden, like life like a
Hmm.
burden, so that time I also like to take a break from everything. And because of a tension, whenever we are giving pressure to ourselves or forcing ourselves for anything, so that time
Mm-hmm.
it is feels like burden. So that time I
Yes.
also take a break, whatever is giving pressure to me. And that time I enjoy my time with my family, even with my
Mm-hmm. Yes.
children. So that time, and whatever I want to do,
Mm-hmm.
so I do that time in my free time.
Yes.
So
Yes.
because of giving time to ourselves, and to give we should give priority first
Mm-hmm.
ourselves. And whenever you spend some time with alone or with yourself, then definitely it feels relaxed. And spending time with family, it is really good for
Yes.
everyone. And if you don't have family or supportive family, what should they do?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so obviously everybody they know that what's their interest. Like I'm taking example of myself when I'm feeling, lots of burden in my mind. Then for relaxation, I do dancing. I forget everything. I play music and I start doing dancing with my children, sometimes with alone, whatever. I completely indulge into that, and I try to forget everything.
Okay.
So that's the way only. Whatever the situation they are going through, they should understand what is the you know best interest of them, what's the needs of them, then they should spend some time with that. So they should take break and they should give time on their interest only.
Yes.
So they can again, revive their life and they can regain that energy. Because if you are doing, every day pushing yourself and, giving lots of pressure, so it will get worn out completely. You can swim, you can tired a lot.
Yeah.
So that's the thing. Only there is the solution. You try to engage yourself on that things which you like only. That is the my thought.
Yeah, I agree with you. So, if someone is facing that type of situation in their life, or if they are thinking to give up in their life, or we can say in this learning journey, so what
Mhm.
is your advice?
Okay, so if they want to quit their journey, then definitely
Yeah.
they are not interested into this language. If they are
Okay.
really fascinated about this language or whatever they have passion, and if so there is no reason to quit that. They can take break, okay, for 1 month, for 1 week, and but you are not going to quit that. If really
Yeah.
you are passionate and you are for one, it was for only for 1 month interest, like you are very, full of energy, very enthusiastic to learn this language, and after 1 month you find it little bit difficult, you quit that. So that was not your interest. You are not dedicated about to learn this language. And if you are really passionate, if you are really dedicated, then you will put 100% your effort. You are not going to quit this. Yeah, that is the reason. If they are really passionate and really they won't learn this language, so they are not going to quit.
Yeah, you're right. Many times it happens with a person. Sometimes
Mm-hmm.
we are very dedicated person, okay, and we want to
Mm-hmm.
do something from our bottom of our heart, okay, but
Mm-hmm.
because of environment and because of um, problems of our life in our life, so we think
Mm-hmm.
that is not cup of tea for me. So that time
Yeah.
we can say like, oh my god, it is very difficult for me, so should I
Mm-hmm.
give up in my learning journey or in my life also? But I think some struggles and some difficulties are only for while in our life.
Yes.
Our
Yes.
struggles come in our life, and everything can change. And we can say
Mm-hmm.
that everyone says that time heals everything. Okay,
Yes.
so if
Mhm.
you if you are giving time to time, then time will heal you.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. So time will heal you, and because of healing yourself, and because of the time, you can improve yourself. And one day come in your life
Mhm.
that you will be in the next position. So we should be
Mhm.
positive for our dreams and towards our journey. So everyone should
Mhm.
um, follow that type of feelings or thinking in their life,
Yes, yes.
and because of positive thinking we can get anything, and um, we can replace
Hmm.
positive negative things into positive things.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, absolutely. Because life is uncertain and inevitable. Anything can be possible next day. And especially self-dependent is nowadays is very important. That's why even your husband are doing something, and your family background is very good. Still,
Yes.
I think everybody should be independent.
So anything else?
Yeah, just like I was going to ask, like you asked me that when you try to quit about your journey and in your life, some frustrations about your, in some problem, then what's the things keeps you motivated? What's the
Actually, it happens many times in my life, and
hmm,
is that only me. Okay, because of only frame like that, I can't quit anything. Yeah,
self
and
motivated?
yeah, and second
Hmm.
thing is my family and my daughters. So as you
Hmm.
know that I have two daughters. So I think if I will give up in my life, so
Hmm.
what they will think about me? And
Yeah.
as a lady, and they are also female, so I think for my daughter, I should be very brave person in front of my daughters. So
Yes.
these things are always motivates me. Even I can't see them like a loose
Hmm.
person or a bechari type lady. I don't like
Hmm.
that type of person. Everyone face that type of situation and difficulties in our life, but I think for my children, I can't see myself in front of them like bichari type. So
Yes.
those
Yes.
always motivates me, and uh, always I always tell that I'm a passionate person. So I love to follow my passion, and there is a craze to make my own identification. So I think I have to do this. One day I will
Hmm.
do. Not now, but one day will come in my life, then I will do. So that type of positivity and positive thoughts
Hmm.
always keep me motivated.
Yeah, absolutely right. Because what happened now, if you are very bold enough, very intelligent, then first mother is the only teacher for their children. They,
Yeah.
initiate their learning from their home, from their mother.
Yes,
So
you're right.
if you are very, you are very disciplined about everything, definitely
Yeah.
they are learning these things every single day, and they are
Yes.
also observing that my mother is how much bold about this to take every challenges. So they will be the same whenever they are about to face any challenges, then she will also be ready to take that challenges. And after become a mother, and after few years when they are getting old, they're leaving everything. And you told right things like they try to wallow themselves self pity. Self pity means like very bechari kind. They are saying,
Yes.
no, I have children, I have daughters, so I have only these things I have the only responsibility to nurture them. Yeah, it is the responsibility. This is the first priority of you, that to nurture
Yes.
their children. But alongside nurturing them, what's the more quality you are giving to your children?
Yes.
So, yeah, after growing your age, you are every single day learning something different. So they are
Yes.
observing that. Yeah, there is no age and there is nothing to,
Yes. Yes.
get something new in your life. Whatever the interest you have, you can learn this and you can completely indulge into that. You can
Yes.
enjoy that, sir, whatever you have interest. Yeah, whatever you have passion. So yeah, you are the only,
Uh,
you can be the
Actually, in Hindi.
inspiration on their life.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
In Hindi, it says that मतलब जो देखोगे वही सीखोगे. Okay. So
Yes,
if
yes,
you are
yes.
giving that type of environment to your children or someone, okay, in a
Mm-hmm.
school also we can take an example. In a school, if a teacher teaching their students, however she is teaching, okay,
Mm-hmm.
what are her activities and how are her expressions. So students are going to copy to the teacher, and they
Yes,
come to our
yes.
they return to school, and they ask their children, sorry, their siblings or their parents, mama or papa, I will be I am a teacher, and I will teach you.
Mm-hmm.
They they copy their
Hmm.
teacher.
They try to
So
imitate
yeah,
you. Yes, yes.
yeah,
Hmm.
and in a home also, if a mother is saying something to their children, then her daughter or her son is going to copy her mother or papa also, Miss Father also. Okay, if his father is behaving like that, oh my God, or he behaves rudely. So boy
Hmm.
also, or the children also going to copy to their parents.
Yes,
So
yes,
it is
yes.
safe that.
Hmm.
Yeah, they always
Hmm.
ready to copy even her. Okay, as I told you, there is a small girl. As I told you, she is my brother-in-law's
Hmm.
daughter. So she always asked me, Mama, please give me a dupatta. Okay. Then she
Hmm.
asked, and she want to wear a sari. She wears it, and after that she become a lady, and she copy how a lady after wearing sari how she sits on a bike. So she sits
Yeah.
like that totally in a floor. Okay,
Okay.
and she keeps a hand like that, and she
Okay.
sits like that. So that type of
Giving the.
activity. So yeah,
Hmm.
so this is a best example how they are observing
Grabbing the
all
things,
things. Yeah,
observing things. Yes, yes.
yeah, and how they are learning from our environment.
Yes, yeah,
Yes,
absolutely. Yeah, it happens like if you are giving very good environment to to your children, they feel very relaxed and calm whenever they are they are coming back from school and college, whatever it is. And some
yes,
parents, they little bit toxic. They always fighting to each other, and they are very rude. They are very strict. More means how could I say very
yes, yes.
how could I? कुछ ज़्यादा ही strict नहीं होते हैं. Like
Ha,
some parents are too
excuse
strict.
me, excuse me. We changed our track. Okay,
Always we are diverting from our track. Really are.
no
Okay,
worries.
leave that.
You can cut. Okay, you can cut and you
Hmm.
can upload it.
Hmm.
Okay, so
Yes,
no
yes,
worries.
yes.
And it is 1 p.m., so you should go. Tata, bye bye.
Hmm. Okay,
Okay, bye.